Hey everybody, welcome back to dansfera.com. This is the Dan Sfera Minute. I wanted to talk to you about something that's going to be very important and very underutilized for not just clinical research and life sciences, but for just any industry. So I'm heavily involved in life sciences, as you know or may not know, and also in real estate. I get into that a lot of marketing for realtors to find customers. One of the things I've been noticing is Instagram influencers. So a lot of people, Instagram is huge. It's top 5 app on any app store at any given time. People's attention are there. There is an ad platform. You can run Instagram ads through Facebook, but there's actually a cheaper and more effective way to do it. It just takes a little longer and it takes a little more effort on your part. What I used to do was just find influencers. So if I'm looking for hyper local influencers, meaning influencers in Anaheim or influencers in Irvine or influencers in Atlanta, I would go look for those cities around those areas and try to find people who are in the top posts. But sometimes it's hard to get a reply from them because when you direct message someone who is not following you, Instagram doesn't actually show it to them. There's a setting where most people have on by default where the message will actually not show up in their inbox until they click on their inbox, which is pretty weird. So you may get ignored that way. The best way I found, plus that's a lot of work and you may get a lot of people that are just not interested in doing it. The best thing I found to do is whatever market you're trying to target, and if you're doing national, target every market, all the big ones, right? And find out which one works best for you. Post a Craigslist ad in that market. Very simple title. Instagram influencers needed, pay per post. On the description, I have a 2-sentence one. It says you will get paid at anywhere from $30 to $100 to post for 24 hours with a link back to a landing page. Email me, reply to this email with your Instagram handle. Now you can get all kinds of people sending you their Instagram handle. Go look at them, go see what kind of followers they have, go see what kind of engagements they have on their posts. If somebody has 100,000 followers, it might seem like a good idea, but then you click on one of their pictures and you only see like 30 likes and 0 comments. You know that they probably paid for those followers, so they don't actually have a real audience. You can tell. You can see how many comments they get, what the engagement is like, how many likes they get per followers they have. Those are the ones you want. Now you can reply to those ones and say, hey, would you be interested in doing this? I need to run a campaign. I would pay you per post with a link to your landing page. Keep it in your style. I found that this has worked well. I'm going to be experimenting with this a lot in 2018. I actually learned this from Gary Vaynerchuk. He's been talking about Instagram influencers all of 2017. I have tried to find some in 2017, but I was getting hung up on the direct messaging thing. I was getting ignored. So I just tweaked it a little and went to Craigslist, and now I'm having success with it. So that's the Dan Sfera Minute. Instagram influencers. I'll definitely do a lot more on Instagram influencers later on in future posts and provide a lot more details as well. Take care. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.